Hey y'all, so today we're gonna be installing this deep wave wig on my friend. If y'all wanna see how I do it, keep on watching. So first things first, I'm putting the wig on and making sure everything fit right. The lace is looking good. Then I hop right into gluing this wig down. I do have videos on how I do my ball cap, but if y'all want to see one specifically dedicated to how I lay my ball cap down, please let me know. So I'm starting off with the first layer of glue. I divide my sections of glue into 3. I do the front forehead, then I do each side, and then I usually use about 3 to 4 layers of glue. So I did that to the front, stretched the lace down. Then now we doing the sides, and as y'all can see, it's a slit in the lace as well, correlating with the front and the sides. Don't mind those brown markings. That is lip liner. They're just helping me follow the guidelines so that I'm not putting the glue too far down, and also helping me follow the shape of the frontal. The 3 sides are glued down and done. Looking good. I'm just pushing that lace into the glue with the spine of my comb on each side, and then I'm gonna lay my band on for the first time just to melt that lace. After about 10 minutes, I took off that band and I started to cut that lace. And as you can see, the scissors is going up and down, like my hand is moving up and down just to not have a straight line across the frontal and making it obvious. But that's another tip. You want to make sure you don't cut straight across the frontal and make it look wiggy. Now I am doing my baby hair. So I'm taking the hair out, and I do 3 baby hairs on each side of her head. I use Got To Be gel and Nairobi wrap foam to set my baby hairs. The gel holds it in place while the Nairobi foam softens the baby hairs up a little bit. So I'm just going and doing that. And then I left this in real time so that y'all can see the pressure that I'm putting on it, how slow I'm moving. So I am holding the baby hairs down as I'm molding them, but I'm not trying to do too much manipulation while I'm doing the baby hairs because I don't want to lift the lace. So I move on to my second one and then also my third one. After this, I went ahead and put that Nairobi foam on after setting all of the baby hairs with the gel. And then this is, again, just going to soften it up. And Nairobi foam also allows you to mold the baby hairs to how you want it much easier. And this was the other side all done. After I got done doing the baby hairs, I took out 2 little pieces in the front just so they can hang. I wet it and put some of that foam on it just so that the pattern can curl up, because I did wind up straightening it out with the hot comb to prep the hair for the ponytail that I'm going to do. After I took those 2 curly cues out, I put some foam, and I also alternate in between using my Got To Be Free spray just to mold the ponytail. I did a ponytail in the middle to anchor everything, and then I pulled the 2 sides up after I molded them and made one big ponytail, because we are doing a half up, half down look with this deep wave hair. After everything is finished, I took some adhesive spray and just dabbed it on the front of the hairline to blend it a little more. You want to make sure you do that in the front and in between the baby hairs on the side. I just used the blow dryer and the back of my comb to press that lace down. This would be good to put the band on. Again, I didn't do that, but this is the finished results, y'all. It came out so cute. I did the little bow trend. If you want to see more installs and hairstyles like this, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See y'all later. Bye.